Hey everybody, thanks a lot for joining my demo video. I'm really excited to showcase what the Flaherty Fitness app is capable of, so let's just jump right in. You'll load in and you'll immediately be brought to this landing page with the 4 different items that you're able to track. So first is your lifts, then your cardio, steps, and body weight. I'll click into each one to give you an idea of what it looks like. So you'll click into lift, it will take you to this Microsoft form where you fill out your name and today's date. Then you can start filling out your exercise information. So for your first exercise, you can click in here and you can select from all these different options for all the different muscle groups. And then you'll just fill out your weight and rep information for each set, which will be 3. And then you'll repeat this 6 more times for each of the exercises that you do. So then when you're done with that, you can click out of there and submit it. Next is the cardio page. Here, you'll just type in your name, date, the cardio type you're doing, so whether you were walking, running, or biking, and then your distance and duration, then you'll submit that. Then for your steps, this one's very simple, just your name, date, and steps for the day. And body weight is pretty much identical for your name, date, and body weight for the day. The next page is the About section. I'm not going to go into this too much. It just gives some information about the app, shares what it's powered by, so of course you and your fitness goals, but also Microsoft Power Automate, Power BI, SharePoint, and Microsoft Forms. Then there's just a little bit of information about me. But the most important part of this app is right here in the Check Your Progress tab, where it's linked to your interactive Power BI dashboard. So it's supported on both mobile and web applications, but primarily mobile, so we're going to click into that for the next step. And boom, now you're instantly brought up to your fitness tracker. You can see you can filter it by different people. So right now it's on Blake Alberry. You can see his average steps for the day, kind of his weekly step trends, how many miles he walked, ran, and biked this week. But if you want to look at somebody else, you can go into Lillian Grooms. All the information is automatically updated. And same thing for me, Aiden Flaherty. Everything will update, which is very nice and very helpful in keeping you and your friends accountable. So now we'll go into Blake and we can go to the next page here and see exercise tracking. So here's a good example of, you can select your exercise. These are just the ones we have data for right now, but any of the options that you selected will be in here. And you can see his bench press. You can see the progression. He's increased by 35 pounds over this time period, but you can also filter it down to different dates and it'll update that as well. And it'll also have your max PR lift in here at the bottom. And if you want to change it up, look at different things, maybe your bicep curls, maybe you on the core machine, overhead shoulder press, it will all change accordingly. And you can do that for each person, so you can see me as well. But now I'll take you into the last page, which is the body weight tracker. This one's very simple. It just shows your body weight fluctuations over time, and you can filter it by date. But yeah, the point of this app is just to really put your data into visualization so you can see how you're progressing and get an idea if you're on track. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Thanks a lot for watching.